Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we are in a 2013 Porsche Cayenne, which has a few problems and a few dashboard warning lights on the dashboard here. We're going to show you how to diagnose and find out what the problem is with the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit. We have the handbrake on, which explains this one here, but obviously you can see we have the yellow or orange parking brake, the traction control and the ABS warning light. So these are all, it seems to be an issue with the ABS or the PSM system. So what we'll do is we've got the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit. This kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. But what we need to do is use this tool and go into Diagnostics, and we're going to go ahead and select our vehicle, which is Cayenne 928 2011 onwards. We're going to manually select the system, which in this case is the PSM, Porsche Stability Management. So I click enter, and it's giving us quick beeps because it knows that the it says here PSM in diagnosis. So we've got options here. We're going to click on to read DTCs, which is diagnostic trouble codes, and it's giving us two faults here. So we've got a 011B88 front left RPM sensor signal implausible, and front left speed sensor electrical fault. So I think it's obvious on this car that it does have a faulty front left ABS sensor. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a new ABS sensor in there. Once we've done that, it's really just a case of coming back into the vehicle, erasing these trouble codes, and that will get rid of all of the dashboard warning lights at the same time. Well, that's the iCarsoft POR version 1.0 kit. As I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks very much for watching this car tech video, and I hope it helps.